Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix the Roblox error. An error occurred while starting Roblox in Roblox app. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So if you are having this problem guys, so just follow along with this tutorial. So go over to your Chrome and go over to settings here and go over to privacy and security and third-party cookies. So we will delete the cache files of Roblox. So go ahead and see all site data and permissions and search for Roblox here. So once you are here, you just have to go ahead and press the remove here and just press on delete. And you just have to press that guys. And once that is done, let's go ahead and delete the temporary files or cache files inside of our computer. So go over to run here and just type in here percentage local app data percentage and then go over until you see temp or temp, and you should go ahead and delete the Roblox folder here, and that should be here guys, but I've already done it, so you just have to do it right here and just delete it. Okay, so once that is done, let's go ahead and search for our Roblox player launcher, and let's open the file location of that and go over to properties. Go over to compatibility and make sure to check this box here. Run this program as an admin, apply, and hit OK. And there guys, that should fix the issue there. So okay guys, that is how you can fix this issue. Roblox encountered the error while launching. So okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.